Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to review about a smartphone. It is of Oppo brand. The model name is A31. It comes in A series. So I ordered it from Amazon. So it was delivered today to me. So I am going to unpack it. Let's see. So this is the actual box which was delivered to me. So let us unpack it. So this is the box, actual box of Oppo A31. You can see that its brand name is written here, and this is the model name. And here RAM is given 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. And other specification is in back side. Okay. So it has a triple camera. The screen size is 6.5 inch. Battery is 4230 mAh, and it's a large battery. So here the color is given. It's a mystery black. Then here it's given made in India. Then here you can see other specification. Camera here is rear camera is 12 MB plus 2 MB plus 2 MB, means it's a triple camera, so 3 specification are given, and the front camera is 8 MB. And here you can see RAM and ROM. RAM is 6 GB, ROM is 128 GB. And here, and the weight is 180 grams. And here battery is given, and the rate is given as 15,990. But in Amazon I got it for 11,990, and it's a great price because considering you get good RAM and good ROM. Let us unpack it. This. So inside this, first you find this is a protective back cover, and you can see here it's a SIM ejection tool, and here you get it's a manual. Okay, it's a manual how to insert SIM and memory card, and here it's a safety guide. Now here comes, this is the actual phone we get here. It's a well packed, and let us open this. It's very well and neatly packed. Wow, this phone looks awesome, and it's very shreddy. Back is very good, design very good, and it's very shiny. You can see that here this triple camera is given, and this is fingerprint sensor, and this is the front camera, and it's look good in our hand. It's very good, it feels very good, and it give you a premium look. Given here are the charger, so there is no headset. Okay. The charger is of good quality, we can feel it when we touch it. It's very good. The back side of the charger, and you can see here it's they have given Oppo branding here, and behind this mobile also you can see here they have given Oppo branding. And this is the wire, you can connect it in charger like this. Now let us insert SIM card in this mobile. So first we require SIM removal kit, and you have to press this tool in this hole for SIM ejection. Yes, you can see that the SIM tray has been ejected. So this is the SIM tray. So here you can see this is micro SD. This is SIM 2. This slot is for SIM 1. So let us insert the SIM card in SIM 1. Okay. Now let us insert it inside the phone. Okay. Now we have inserted the SIM in the phone. Let us switch on the phone. Okay. The phone has been switched on. You can see Oppo branding and it's powered by Android. Its phone is loading. It's taking little time as its first time. Okay, now here we have to select the language. And another thing to note is the SIM card has been activated in the new phone. You can see the tower and the time is also automatically got from the network. Now let us give English United Kingdom. Okay, let's give continue. Okay, it's terms of use. Let us agree all of it. Continue. Use mobile data. Continue. Connect to Wi-Fi. Let us skip this step. Wi-Fi assistant. Continue. Now it's checking for updates. Choose apps. Okay, don't copy. Give. Now it's checking info. Okay. Now it's asking to sign in the Google. Let us skip this step. Okay, let us skip this for now. It's asking location permission and allow scanning. Okay, then we'll see more. Okay, let us accept all the conditions. Now it's asking fingerprint and face sensor. We'll do it after some time. Let's skip this step. It's asking for software update. Let's continue. So let us give it continue. Set as new Oppo phone. Okay, let's give this. Now we'll see it's asking recommendation to download this app. We'll do it later. Now it's actually starting. You can see this is Color OS 6 software. Let's get started. So phone has started. So it's look good. The interface is very good. Facebook is automatically downloaded and Amazon shopping app is also downloaded automatically here. You can see the apps here. This is pre-installed apps. This is notification bar. The interface is lag free, as you can see, as it possesses 6 GB RAM, which is very powerful at this price. About its processor, it has a Helio P35 processor which runs on Android 9, and it has 128 GB ROM, expandable to 256 GB ROM. And about its camera, I have seen its camera. So this is selfie, but it's not that satisfactory because the details are not clear, not much clear when compared to other phone at this price range. So camera is not satisfactory. This is the back camera, rear camera. You can see the images. This is okay, but you can get good camera at the same price with other brands. Now let us put it in the back cover. And you can see that it is perfectly fit. Back cover is perfectly fit, but it is prone to get yellow color when the time passes. Okay, I hope you understood the review of this phone, Oppo A31. If you have any doubt, please feel free to comment in the comment section. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe it. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.